Booking a hotel with Klarna is a simple and convenient process that allows you to manage your payments flexibly. Here's how to do it. Search for hotels. Start by visiting a travel booking website that supports Klarna payments, such as Booking.com, Expedia, or directly through the Klarna app. Choose your destination and dates. Enter your destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Click Search to view available hotels. Select your hotel. Browse through the hotel options and select the one that suits your preferences. Click on it to see more details. Proceed to booking. Once you've chosen a hotel, click on Book Now or Reserve. Follow the prompts to enter your stay details and personal information. Choose Klarna as payment method. In the payment section, select Klarna as your payment option. This option may be labeled as Pay with Klarna or Pay Later. Log into Klarna. You may need to log into your Klarna account or create one if you don't have it. Select Payment Plan. Choose your preferred payment option, such as paying later or in installments. Confirm booking. Review all details and confirm your reservation. You will receive a confirmation email from both the hotel and Klarna.